Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem sum of binary tree. Basically in this question, we have a root node. 1 minute. Let's say for a binary tree we have a root node, then we have left side nodes and right side nodes, right? So what do we need to do is we just need to add root data plus left side nodes data plus right side nodes data. And we need to print out the result, okay? So this is the question that we need to solve. We need to find the sum of a binary tree. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic, okay? After that you need to find the problem sum of binary tree. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay? So I hope this is clear. 1 minute, let's solve the question. Given a binary tree of size n, your task is to complete the function sum bt that should return the sum of all the nodes of the given binary tree. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here, okay? So let's start. 1 minute. So first step is to check if we have root or not, okay? Because if we do not have root, that means there is no tree, right? Root, none. Then what do I need to do? I can just return with 0, okay? Enter backspace. Else I need to return with what? Root dot data plus, okay? Now sum pt, okay? Circular brackets left, 1 minute, root dot left, okay? Root dot left, okay? Now plus sum bt, circular brackets, root dot right, okay? Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Let's see. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem sum of binary tree. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.